Hello guys, I want you to try this other method of cooking your okra soup and tell me your opinion in the comment section. Trust me, you will love this one. You're definitely going to love it. And for this recipe, I'll be using some chopped okra. As you can see, I already chopped my okras. Please do not blend or mash it in a mortar, just chop it. For protein, I'll be using some tilapia fish. I'm also using some pork chops that are air fried. You can use any kind of protein that you want, maybe beef, chicken. I'll be using some onions, peppers, some palm oil. I'll also be using some njansang and crayfish. This is basically all you need for this recipe. Trust me. If you have all these in the fridge, what are you waiting for? Let's start cooking. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, okay? Don't forget, it helps me to grow my channel. So to start, place a pan on low heat. To it, add add your palm oil, maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons. Let it heat up for a few seconds. Into that, we're going to add in our chopped onions. Give that a stir. Fry it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then we're going to fry our okra, our chopped okras. Turn down your heat, put it on low, and you fry your okra. You're going to fry this, you're going to stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring and make sure your heat is, well, not quite low. I was frying on medium, but it's up to you. Just don't have your heat too high because you want your okra to be cooked. At this point, we want our okra to be a bit slimy, right? But not too much. That's how I love my okra stew to look like. After a minute, you realize that your okra starts to get this slimy consistency, which is what we're after. If you keep frying, you're going to realize that the more you're frying, it becomes slime, the consistency becomes thicker and all of that. So I think this is the consistency that I'm after. I love it like this. It's a bit slimy, not too much, and not that it's not slimy at all, but it's not too much. To that, I'm going to add in some water, and the quantity of water that you add to it, it's up to you. Maybe if you want you love your okra soup thick, you go in with not too much water. But if you want it like really light, go in with more water. I'll keep stirring, adding in more water because I realized that it's too thick for me, and I might still go in with more water while I'm cooking. Right now, I'm adding my njansang spice that I already blended. I'll give that a good stir. Then I'll go in with my pork chops, and peppers should be next. I also just I crushed my peppers because I didn't want to use tomatoes. I wanted the peppers to look like tomatoes. Look at that, guys. Look at how beautiful that looks. Oh my God. At this point, I already have my rice cooking. Trust me. My friend is eating with fufu, but I prefer to eat with rice. In goes our crayfish. Give that a good stir again. At this point, guys, please make sure you're cooking on low heat. I think I'm going to add in more water because my okra is too thick. So as you're cooking, you realize that your okra either needs more water or is just perfect. Next, we're going to put in some Maggi cubes. Oops, that's not what I was expecting, but okay. While it boils in our soup, it's going to dissolve. Taste to make sure your seasonings are okay. The next thing I'll be putting in is my fish, which is the last as well. Well, you don't want to put your fish first because it's going to overcook. And you know what happens when your fish overcooks? You're definitely going to be taking out your fish from your pot in pieces, which is not a very good thing. So after putting in your fish, taste, make sure your okra has the consistency that you're looking for. It's not too thick and it's not too light. Taste your seasonings, make sure your cubes and everything is fine. We're just going to let this boil for about 5 minutes, and trust me, your food will be ready. This basically took me only about 20 minutes. 5 minutes later, guys, look at that. Our okra stew is ready. Guys, I ate mine with rice. Tell me what you'll be eating this with in the comment section. Is it rice too, fufu, gari, all by itself? Because trust me, eating okra by itself too, well, I do that. I don't know if everyone does it. Well, guys, until my next video, please remain blessed. Thank you so much, and bye.